A very warm welcome to everyone. My name is Ayush Dikshit, and currently I am pursuing my Bachelor of Technology degree in Mechanical Engineering from National Institute of Technology, Hamirpur. Today I am going to present a summary on the text that I have chosen for this particular activity of communication skills. The text is 48 Laws of Power, written by Robert Greene. This book was published in 1998. The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene is a self-help book offering advice on how to gain and maintain power using lessons drawn from the illustrations and experiences on historical figure. This book suggests many things about how to control and use power. Powerful people must cultivate their appearances and earn respect and eliminate doubt. They must practice selective honesty, misdirection, and an excess of secrecy to gain a tactical advantage. This book is a kind of handbook on the arts of misdirection. The laws are based on the men and women who have studied and mastered the art of power. This book generally revolves around six set of rules. These set of rules are as follow. The first set of rules in the book revolves around the importance of maintaining a sense of mystery and unpredictability. Green argues that revealing too much about yourself is a liability. Laws such as never outshine your master and conceal your intentions highlights the first set of laws of this book. The second set of laws focuses on the realm of authority and leadership. Laws like get others to do the work for you but always takes the credit, and pose as a friend, work as a spy underscore the strategic use of delegations, manipulations, and calculated alliance to ascend the hierarchy of power. The third set of law explores the dynamics of building alliances and relationships. Concepts such as keep others in suspended terror, cultivate an air of unpredictability, and play to people fantasies dive into the psychological aspects of fear, emphasizing the impact of perception and desire on human behavior. These things focuses the third set of laws. The fourth set of laws addresses the art of negotiation and the importance of timing. Laws such as win through your actions, never through your arguments, and use absence to increase respect and honor highlights the significance of strategic patience. The fifth set of law focuses on adapting to circumstances and embarrassing change. Laws such as plan all the way to the end and be royal in your fashion, act like a king to be treated like one, stress the importance of flexibility, foresight, and the ability to evolve in response to shifting dynamics. The sixth set of law focuses on the realm of authority and how to handle it responsibly. Laws such as court attention at all cost and enter action with boldness emphasizes the role of confidence and a strategic public image in cultivating and maintaining power. The final set of law touches on the darker aspects of power, exploring the tactics of deception, manipulation, and ruthless harassment. Laws such as crush your enemy totally and use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim delve into the harsh realities of power dynamics, advocating for a calculated and sometimes ruthless approach to achieving one's goal. In conclusion, the 48 Laws of Power is a thought provoking exploration of the strategies and tactics that individuals have employed throughout history to attain and wield power. While some may find its controversial approach, this book provides valuable insights into the complexities of human relationships and dynamics of influence. Readers are encouraged to approach the book with a critical mindset, recognizing the ethical consideration inherent in the pursuit of power. Thank you.